Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can stop apps from using your Apple ID to sign in on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen tap on Settings. In the Settings screen, tap on your Apple ID account and then tap on Password and Security. Next, in here, tap on Apps using Apple ID. And in here, tap on the app that you want to remove. And then tap on Stop using Apple ID. So tap on it and then tap on Stop Using. And that's it. So that is how you can stop an app from using your Apple ID to sign in. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to Settings or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.